The next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 25, verse 74.
Our Lord, grant us from among our wives and offspring comfort to our eyes, and make us an example for the righteous.
This supplication indicates the importance of marrying, according to the teachings of Islam. This means, a Muslim must follow the advice of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, found in Sahih Muslim, number 3635, when choosing who to marry. This narration advises that a person is married for their beauty, lineage, wealth, or for their piety. The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, advised Muslims to marry someone who possesses piety. All other things come and go, and eventually fade away with time. Not adhering to this advice is one of the main reasons why the divorce rate amongst Muslims has skyrocketed. In respect to marriage, a pious spouse is the only characteristic which will aid one in achieving the closeness of Allah, the Exalted, which leads to success in this world and the next. Anyone who gets married for the other reasons will find that they are only taken further away from Allah, the Exalted. Successful Muslims follow this advice, and through it, they fulfill an aspect which helps them perfect their faith. This has been advised in a narration found in Jami Tirmizi, number 2521. Only through this behavior can a Muslim achieve the coolness of their eyes through their spouse, which is indicated in this verse. In order to achieve the second aspect, namely, a pious child, a parent must educate their child to adopt piety, firstly, by leading by example and giving their child a practical demonstration of piety. Secondly, they should teach them, from a young age, the different aspects of piety and noble character, taught in the Holy Quran and narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This can be summed up into three things, namely, to fulfill the commands of Allah, the Exalted, abstain from the prohibitions of Allah, the Exalted, and to be patient with destiny. A separate podcast series, titled, Raising Pious Children, has been produced, discussing this topic in detail. The next podcast will continue discussing this supplication.